Step into my kitchen as I share the secrets behind a truly traditional Pakistani chicken curry, the kind that simmers with soul, spices and generations of flavour. From sizzling onions to aromatic spices, this recipe is a tribute to heritage and home cooking. All of the ingredients I used are listed in the description below. First up, I'm going to finely chop some onions. I'm going to peel and crush some garlic and also slice up some ginger. So you can either buy garlic and ginger paste or you can make some at home. I like to make mine, so I'm just going to blend together some ginger, some garlic and some oil. So my simple ginger and garlic paste is done. I'm going to keep my tomatoes whole. So to make this dish really aromatic, I'm going to add some ginger, some garlic and some chilies halfway through. So that's ready for later. So everything is prepped. I'm just going to start by adding some oil to a hot pan. I'm going to throw in my onions and let them soften. After 5 minutes, I added my tomatoes and my ginger and garlic paste. I gave that a really good mix and I let it cook on a medium heat for around 10 to 15 minutes. I kept on stirring it regularly. At this point, I added in some green chilies. I also added some curry powder, some salt, some black pepper and some fenugreek leaves. And I like to remove the skin of the tomatoes. So I'm going to simmer that really well on a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to stir that regular. I'll also add a little bit of water here and there just in case it gets too dry. And I just mean half a cup of water at a time. I'm also going to mash that to help me achieve a thick gravy. I'm now going to add in the chicken. I'm going to let that cook in there for about 10 minutes. At this point the heat is very high and I'm going to make sure I stir it regularly. This step takes around 15 to 20 minutes depending on how big the chicken is. And for some extra aroma, we're going to add some green chilies, some ginger and some garlic. I'm now going to add 2 large glasses of water. I'm going to let that simmer on a very slow heat for around 15 minutes. And the final touches, I'm going to add some coriander and I'm going to garnish that with some garam masala. And that's it, a rich, spicy, traditional Pakistani chicken curry made from scratch. If you enjoyed cooking with me today, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Be sure to share this video and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think about this recipe. And of course, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.